of your iPad screen is your dock, that gray bar down here along the bottom. There is a tiny thin line. Things on the left side of that line are things that are always in your dock. Things that are on the right-hand side are more recent items that you have opened. Why do we have the dock? The dock is so that you can put your most used apps at the bottom and find them quickly. For example, Notes. If I would like to see my Notes app down at the bottom, always down there so I can find it quick, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to pull my Notes down and put it right here. That's where I want it. Then I'm going to click out here somewhere in the gray spot and make it stop jiggling. So now my Notes is down at the bottom. Maybe I would like to have my reminders down there. So I should check my reminders often. So here's my reminders app right here. I'm going to grab that app and I'm literally going to pull and put it wherever I want it. I think I'll put it right next to my Notes and I'm going to let go. Once again, to make it stop jiggling, I'm going to tap out here where there's no app. And now my reminders are easy for me to find.